Once you've either unboxed your shade or assembled your shade, you will need to prep your brackets for mounting. Based on your shade configuration, you will receive either Type A or Type B brackets. We are going to start by prepping our Type B brackets for install. Push up on the release tab on the left shade bracket. Slide the left shade bracket forward, then press down to remove from the left mounting bracket. Remove the idler from the axle on the right shade bracket and set aside. Push up on the release tab on the right shade bracket. Slide the shade bracket forward, then press down to remove from the right mounting bracket. You are now ready to mount your brackets and install your shade. For outside mount above trim configurations, you will need to use spacer blocks. Replace the right shade bracket onto the right mounting bracket by aligning the grooves and slide back into place. Engage the idler end of the shade over the idler axle on the right shade bracket. You will hear a click once in place. Engage the left shade bracket with the left mounting bracket by aligning the grooves and slide back into place. Depending on where your shade is mounted, you may need to slide the shade brackets forward to insert the hem bar. Grab the hem bar you received with your shade and guide it into the fabric pocket. Insert the hem bar end caps on either side of the hem bar. Slide the shade brackets back into place. Your shade has been successfully installed. To prepare your Type A brackets for install, push up on the release tab on the left shade bracket. Then slide the left shade bracket forward and press in the release tab to separate the left shade bracket from the left mounting bracket. Push up on the release tab and slide forward to remove the right shade bracket from the right mounting bracket. Replace the right shade bracket onto the right mounting bracket by aligning the inner grooves and slide into place. With the assembled shade, for proper install, you will need to angle the shade at least 30 degrees horizontally. Press the idler into the top of the socket of the right mounting bracket. Lightly pull down on the end of the shade and allow the shade to seat into the pocket. Engage the left shade bracket with the left mounting bracket by aligning the grooves and slide back into place. Once your shade has been successfully installed, you will need to set your shade limits one of the following ways. For a standalone application, you will need to set your shade limits using a Pico wireless control. With Caseta and Triathlon Select systems, you can set your shade limits in the Lutron app. In Radio Raw 3 or Homeworks QSX systems, your shade limits can be set using the designer software.